vending machines. Whether you get candy, stickers, or toys, kids love them. On this episode of Channel Alexis 2K6, we go looking for the coolest vending machines in Los Angeles. We first head to the Americana on brand in the city of Glendale. Sprinkles created the world's first cupcake vending machine, which dispenses freshly baked cupcakes and cookies 24/7. We're at the Sprinkles Cupcake ATM, which I'm so excited to try. So here's the Sprinkles Cupcake ATM. And I am going to get maybe a black and white. So it's a Belgian dark chocolate cake with a creamy vanilla frosting. That looks really good. And we're gonna go check out. So we're gonna go swipe our card. I'm so excited. Oh look! Wait, I hear something. I hear something moving. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope this really works. I hope the cupcake doesn't get damaged. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, that's so cool how it like raises up like that. Ah! Let's go open it. Oh my gosh, it looks so perfect. Look how perfect that looks, and the box is really cute. Oh my gosh, nothing got damaged. This looks so perfect. I love it. Now, we're at Hollywood and Highland. I've heard that they have a lot of cool vending machines here. Let's go check it out. Maybe you're in a rush and you need something to wear. Well, this machine is just for you. Uniqlo is a fashion brand from Japan, and this Uniqlo machine has some of the most fashionable basics that you can fit in a tiny cube. These include t-shirts and lightweight down jackets. There are fashions for both men and women. The only thing missing is a dressing room. Wait, I think there's one behind the machine. Ladies, are you looking for the best of the best? I'm standing in front of the Allure Best of Beauty machine. This vending machine features the best of the best products as rated by Allure magazine. You can find things from hair dryers, nail polish, lip gloss, and beauty boxes. Let's get an Allure beauty box. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box with the top beauty products that can be delivered to your home. Other cosmetic vending machines include the one at ShibuyaLA in San Gabriel, California. This machine specializes in the finest beauty products from Asia. I want to bring this machine home with me. And after a long day of vending machine shopping, let's cool down with a gelato. At the Tastymas Gelato machine, we have 8 scrumptious flavors of your favorite Italian dessert. Gelato is similar to ice cream, but contains less air and fat. With all these flavors, I can't decide. I think I'll have 2. For more information about these vending machines, check out the description box below. I'd love to hear from all of you guys. Drop me a note sometime. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the fun. See you on the next episode.